Well, here we have the 14-inch by 11-inch oval Saraband platters. Got two of these going on catalogue. They're in very good used vintage condition, very nice and bright. As you can see, the central decoration panel on them, very, very good. Occasional little knife marks just affecting the turquoise here, you can see. But by and large, they are really good. Good gilt retention around the rims as well. 14 inches long, 11 inches wide. Side elevation on these is quite shallow. They make very large, big, there you go, almost dinner plate. Come up to about 1.25, 1.5 inch. Should show you the China mark on the reverse. There we go, Saraband by Ridgway. Made 1940s, 1950s. Substantially heavy pieces of China and in very good condition. Lots of flat wear in this pattern. It's a nice spring design with that what we think is hibiscus flower sprays on all pieces in the centre. And these are the 14-inch. We've also got the 13-inch. 3 of those available on catalogue, so do have a look through the website. We're putting quite a bit of this onto catalogue during the course of the next few days. Thanks for watching.